Today's verb is to find.
It means to discover or locate something. Let's see examples. I found a wallet on the street. She can't find her keys. We need to find a solution quickly. He finally found his favorite book. I can never find matching socks. Find is very useful in daily English. Use it for objects, people, ideas, or solutions. Find, found, finding. Remember these irregular forms.
Practice this verb today and find your English flow. Enjoyed this lesson? Subscribe for more English tips.